Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a best-selling design for Etsy. So you will need MidJourney, subscription, and Canva. So if you don't have MidJourney, you can use a free AI image generated tool like Leonardo to create the design. And then you can use BG to remove the background of the design. Then next you can import the design to Canva to start designing. First, I'm going to Discord first. So I'm going to create the design and let's go with the Mexican flag. So imagine the prompt will be Mexican flag and then that's it. All this time this waiting to generate. So I think it come out the wrong way. I'm going to redo it Mexican flag illustrator with white background. Now the image is generated. I think I'm going to choose number 4. So I'm going to upscale this one. Then I'm going to right click and then copy the image. Now I'm going to Canva. When I go to Canva, I will delete this and Control V. And then I will make sure I remove the background right here. Then now let me change this color to C. I don't think the background did a great job. I think I'm going to choose a different flag. I'm going to choose that one, number 2. Number 2. And I'm going to copy this and then go back to Canva. So I'm going to completely delete that one. Control V. Then I'm going to remove this background from this flag. So remove this background, and then move this right here. Then I'm going to Etsy. I'm going to search for Patriot shirt. So just I can get inspiration. So this one say, I'm going to just say Ultra Mexican. So if I go right here, I can just say proud Mexican. Then I can just click right here to duplicate this and 6. So each of those will be the color of the Mexican flag. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need only 6. Delete that one. So this one will be green. This one will be green. This one will be white. This one will be red. So green, white, and red. Let me change this background to black. So here's the flag. The flag is going to be at the top. I bring it to the top, and then make it smaller. I think I'm going to move those. I'm going to move those 3 right here. Then those 1, I'm going to move them up here and then make the flag right here. Now I'm going to choose Charlotte of Sparkle. Charlotte of 1. So I think I'm going to add this one and then add this one and then I'll remove that. I will change that one to red and then the other side to duplicate that one and then flip it, and then I'm going to change this color and the other color as well, and to change this to maybe red or to green. I'm going to change it to green. I'm going to change it to green and that one to red. So change this one to white, then move it right here. And then I can make this one smaller, like right here. And this one smaller, right here. And then this. And then click share, download. Make sure it's transparent. And then click download. Now it's ready to upload to Etsy. Thank you.